Hello, welcome to PEMDAS Academy. Right here we have this math right here. So what we're going to do, we have many things in parentheses, right? So according to board mass or PEMDAS, we have to watch this whatever is in parentheses first. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to isolate this 10. 10 divided by open a bracket. I have 7 divided by 10 divided by 7. Close the bracket, right? So let's proceed. I see I have this 10 right here divided by, open a bracket. So here I'm going to have 7 over 10 divided by 7, close the bracket, right? So what we're going to do right here, I have 10 divided by, open a bracket. I see I have this 7 over 10, right? This multiplication sign right here changes to what? Multiplication, right? Sorry, division sign changes to multiplication. Help this with 1 so that it doesn't fall. So when you do that, so the 1 goes up and the 7 comes down. So I have 1 here, then I have 7 at the denominator, right? So let's proceed. Here I'm going to have 10 divided by, open a bracket. I have 7 right here over 10, right? So what you can see right here, you can see something in common. So don't waste your time. Let's that cancel out, right? Let's that cancel out. 7 cancel out, sorry. So 7 cancel out 7 right here. Then we have 1 here and you have 1 here. So what we're going to do right here, we have 1 over 10 times 1 over 1, close the bracket, right? So what we're going to do right here, I'm going to have 10 divided by, open a bracket. I have 1 times 1, we have what? 1. Then 1 times 10, we have what? 10. Close the bracket, right? So in this case, I still have this 10 divided by, so remove the bracket right there. So here, you're going to have 1 over 10, right? Help this 10 with 1 so that it doesn't fall, just so it has what? Denominator. So what we're going to do right here, have 10. So this division sign change to what? Multiplication sign. So put the 1 right there. So when it does that, so this thing right here goes up and the 1 comes down, right? I have 10 over 1, right? So in this case, I'm going to have 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is going to give me what? 100. 1 times 1 is going to give me 1, right? So 100 divided by what? 1 is going to give me what? 100. This is the answer. Thank you for watching. Please enable to subscribe, like, and share. Have a great day.